Hey guys, Rana here, and today's video I'll show you a special plugin that makes your website instantly 5 times faster. Now you might be thinking, how can a website become faster just by installing one single plugin without doing anything else? Don't worry, I'll explain exactly how it works and how you can make your website up to 5 times faster with just one plugin. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor 𝗲𝗺𝗀.io. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, 𝗲𝗺𝗀 gets your business featured on top news sites like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on badge. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with 𝗲𝗺𝗀. Link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. Alright guys, so here I have the fresh installation of WordPress where I'm going to show you how you can turn your slow website into faster loading website. First, I'm going to show you what I have here. You can see this is a fresh installation. I do not have any plugin and I have only one theme active, which is 2025, which is default one. So I'm going to make it slower just by installing theme and few plugins. So let's go ahead and add new theme. I'm going to install the Astro theme, activate the theme. Now I'm going to install the starter templates. This is the plugin. Once the plugin install and activate, now I need to choose the template. I'll go with classic one. I'll go with Elementor page builder. Now I'm going to install this template. Click continue, check this box and click submit and build my site. So I'm going to speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. It's almost done. Boom. Okay, we have successfully installed this template. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now how you most over plugins, install plugins. So you can see I have this much plugin over here, but I'm going to install more. Just click on add plugin. I'm going to install Jetpack, which is the heaviest plugin, this one, and randomly I'm going to install few plugins over here to make my site slower. Just to show you guys, if you have so many plugins installed on your site and if your site is slow, how you're gonna make it 5x faster with few clicks of buttons. Once you install them, go back to installed plugin section. Here check this box, go to bulk action drop down, click on activate and click on apply. It will activate all those plugins for you. Go to the dashboard. I'm gonna skip this part. Let's look at the plugins once again. Where it is, plugins, install plugins. As you can see, all of them are active now. If you go to the front end of your site, so this is the front end of our website. It's kind of slow. Let's make it faster. So now go to the description box of this video and you'll find important links and you have to click on the airlift.net link and it will take you to their website. So guys, this is the platform that will turn your slower website into ultra fast WordPress site with few clicks of buttons. So on this page, simply click on sign up. So here fill in the simple sign up form or you can create an account using your Google account. So I'm going to click on connect with Google, building the dashboard, please wait. So once you sign up using your Google account, now you have to verify your email. Just click here, send the confirmation email and go to your mailbox. So open up the first email, click on verify your email address. So there we go. Our email has been verified. So let's close this tab and this one as well. Now click on the add site button, enter your site URL. This is the complete URL of my site. Paste it here. This is basically a subdomain. Once you type in, click on continue. Now you need to download this plugin. Click on the download button. So plugin has been downloaded. Go back to your backend of your site. Scroll up, click on add plugin and click on upload plugin and drag and drop the plugin file over here. Click on install now and click on activate. So now it is analyzing your site. So you have to wait for few minutes. Airlift plugin still analyzing our site. So this is the initial performance metrics of my site. Now wait for the magic to happen. It will take almost 3 minutes. So I'm going to speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, so as you can see, Airlift has successfully optimized our site. Before optimization, my website performance score was 50. But now after optimization, my website performance score is 96. As you can see, you can check out your website page performance by visiting the original page. So as you can see, this is the original page and you can visit the optimized page by clicking here. Boom! As you can see, it's super fast. It basically compresses your page load, page size and request count, and few other optimization has been done. Now let me explain you how this works. Normally, your website loads lots of CSS files, JavaScript files, and big images files. Airlift automatically optimizes these by compressing images, caching them on CDN, and serving your CSS and JavaScript files through a fast network. This reduces the loading time and makes your site 5 times faster. So guys, that was a quick video to show you how you can speed up your website with few clicks of buttons using Airlift plugin. You can also check out their pro plan to get more features. It's really amazing, so make sure to try it out on your website and let me know in the comments how it's worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.